Well, good morning, everyone. She's Tuesday, August 22nd, 23rd, 23rd. She's about 8 a.m. Bork Park's right there. Just a little quick video here. We had a pretty good thunderstorm yesterday, so I'm hoping, or no, wait. Hoping, yeah, that's how you say, that there might be some neat stuff that's washed up. What's that? Looks like someone's missing a bra. What's with all, must have a boat go by or what? What's happening? Why is it so loud all of a sudden? Oh. Yeah. I gotta go back over to that Asian garden and do another video because the first one I did didn't work out. But we got some koi in there and whatnot. It's very pretty, so we gotta make a quick video of that place so everyone can see it. Nope, I'm not picking up anything. Got enough stuff. Let's sell these ones I've got made first, hopefully. So come on, shoestring. Hobo shoestring. There's a feller I know out of Tennessee, and he likes to ride the freight trains everywhere. That feller's insane. Oh, do I have a new pair of Crocs? Oh. Sandals too, even? Look at those guys now. They're in pretty rough shape. Those are small. Those are ladies. Are they out there swimming? I don't see anybody. Why would you leave your shoes here? I don't understand. If you're walking towards your car and there's nothing on your feet, but yet you showed up with something on your feet, shouldn't you be going, hey, where are my Crocs? And the same thing with that lady. Like, I mean, she left her sandals there. Hey, I showed up with something on my feet. I should leave with something on my feet. Maybe they're trying to help people that are less fortunate. Oh, there's a floater out there. I could see it. You could probably see it. It's over here somewhere. Oh, traffic's backing up over there already. Oh. Jeez. Read on the news yesterday on Castanet News that someone lit a fire in the Kelowna West Bank Walmart. That's nice of them. I hope they catch whoever it was, because they certainly put a lot of people in danger. We'll just go up to Cadder Ave or Burn Ave, beach access, and have a seat on the bench there and play a couple games of rummy. Ooh, carrot. Where is it? Oh, right there. Yeah. Oh, could be. Oh, I gotta look. Jeez. Ooh. Oh no. Should I? What do you think? Didn't know. Not enough stuff. Need any more? I don't have any room. I don't know if you folks know, but I Currently staying in a homeless shelter right now. A little embarrassing to say, but it's the truth. Saving up money, well, trying to save up money to buy a minivan. I've lived in one before for about 4 years. She's a lot cheaper than paying rent, let me tell you. In the morning when you wake up, you can point the wheels in whatever direction you want and it will go. And you will get there eventually, depending on how far you go. Well, that and how much money you have for fuel. God. Ooh. That there is for a pew 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 gun. Sandal. Shoe. Water, dock, boat, driftwood, sand. Ooh, feather. 2 feathers. 3 feathers. 4 feathers. Oh. Okay. A little carried away there, sorry. Gosh. I believe the water line was up this far. Right here. That is crazy. How much the lake's gone down. Goodness. Well, the sand is still tough to walk in with these damn hiking shoes on. Is that the other sandal? No, the other one back there's all black. Yeah, that one's white. How do people lose one sandal? Oh, maybe swimming, I guess. I don't know. I just can't understand that, man. You come to the beach with 2 sandals on and you leave with 1? Something's amiss. Oh, it's just one of those vape things, isn't it? Yeah. That's like it when people just toss them on the ground. You know, why not? Who cares, right? She put signs up here in the beach, your mother does not work here, right? The size of that one. Boy, that's heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Goodness. Oh, look at that, it broke down. That little guy. Nothing down there. Empty can. I believe this here's the Burn Ave access. Let's get down to where it's packed. A little tighter, so it's easier to walk through. Yeah, no, geez whiz. Before, when the water level was up, water level was right up to about here, this area. You couldn't get by this fence right here because of the water. But look how much it's gone down, eh? That's why we can get up to the Cadder Ave beach access up here now. Which is nice, because I mean it's a few more feet of beach combing. What's that? Oh man, don't be nice on this side. Don't be. Oh, okay, yeah, that's too bad. Okay. That's a tiny feller, but knock some sand off it here. About to lose my glasses out of my pocket. That is... Okay, yeah, you gotta come with me, man. Shit, where am I gonna put it? Have to carry it for now until I get to that bench up here. I'll find a pocket to put it in. I gotta take it. It's nice looking, I think. Once I add some stuff to her, it'll look even better. Stop, take a quick boo around here. Okay, let's go have a seat ski. Have a sit. Oh yeah, I brought my puffer, that's right, good, okay. Whew. Gotta have a seat here and catch my breath and have a couple puffs off my inhaler, holy smokes. Whew. I got some floaters out there. They just look like sticks. So. Oh, and he's raked this side already too. That's okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna head up this way and sit my butt down for a little bit and find a place to put this this guy. How's the bench? Wet? Yep. Oh well, that's what this is for. She's all sick. Jesus. Weds. Dry. Okay. I gotta, holy smokies. I gotta get some of this in me. See us, I'll see you again. Thanks for coming along if you join me.